Hello and welcome to today's Daily Trade Watch brought to you by the Live Trade Room. Now today is Tuesday the 5th of March. So just before we begin this brief video, please do take a brief moment to familiarize yourself with our risk warning currently up on the screen. And let's go in and discuss some high probability trading opportunities for the day ahead. So if we bring up the dollar chart, we can see that there's been a little bit of dollar strength beginning to creep back into the markets. Now we're already in the dollar yen to the upside, and we've been watching a couple of other markets very, very carefully. So we're in a good profitable trade there. The first market to really pay attention to is the dollar CAD. If I just zoom out, you can see what I mean. We're in an uptrend, and really we're now at this little level back here. Friday gave us a good intraday opportunity eventually, and today we've seen this market continue higher. Literally bouncing off this monthly high here, the 133.41 level, and we've just pulled back a little bit off that level. But if tomorrow we start seeing some more strength creep in and we do break above that 33.41, then it does give us a nice little bit of air. It would be a structural failure now to the upside, and we'll see these prices pushing up to 134, 135, obviously with potential volatility built in there as well, of course. So always make sure you protect your capital. The other market, which is quite a nice little technical setup, is the Aussie dollar. Now this market's moving sideways. As you can see, we're firmly contained within a 2-month high and low. So we are consolidating, but the break below the 70.50 is a major level in the New Zealand dollar, and that would actually give us a nice bit of space below that level. So some really good opportunities in the pipeline, as you can see. And so those are a couple of good opportunities to focus on, certainly over the course of the trading day. One thing to bear in mind is we do have the, today we will have the Australian National Bank, and then tomorrow we'll also have the Canadian central bank as well, making decisions on interest rates, but they're not likely to make any changes, certainly with the turbulence and the volatility we're seeing across global markets at the moment. It's pretty much priced in that those rate decisions are going to remain as they currently are. So those are our two trades, looking to buy the dollar CAD above the monthly high, which is 33.41, and selling the Aussie dollar. So we're talking about dollar strength now beginning to creep back into these markets that have been moving sideways for quite a while and could give us some really good opportunities. So that does just about conclude today's Daily Trade Watch. So what I'm going to do is, so to conclude then, if you would like to connect with us, feel free to do so through our social media channels. All the details are there up on the screen. And thank you, as always, for joining us. So from everyone here at the Live Trade Room, take care and we'll speak to you soon. Bye.